Hi class, I just wanted to take a moment to highlight some important information for Module 2. First of all, I want to remind you that all due dates and live classroom session times are listed in Central Standard Time. Therefore, your assignments are not due at 11:59 p.m. in your time zone, but instead in Central Time. I hope you plan your time accordingly so that you are not down to the wire in submitting the assignments or discussion posts, but I wanted to make sure that this was clear for your reference. Our first live classroom session will be today, Monday, November 12th at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Please be prepared to share an example of one of your state licensing rules that you feel is critical to child safety. Your attendance and participation is greatly appreciated so that we can have a lively discussion. However, if you are unable to attend the session, I will post a link to the recorded video to the course homepage as well as in the live classroom session discussion forum. If you actively participate in the live session, you will receive full credit and nothing else will be required. However, if you are unable to participate in the live session, you are expected to submit a written response after watching the recording. Also, please be sure to create a WebEx account prior to the first live session so that you can access the session on time. This week begins our first graded discussion. Read the discussion prompt and provide a substantial and insightful response. I have provided a copy of the discussion's grading rubric in the announcements below. Please remember your initial post is due by Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. If I ask you additional questions in response to your post, please answer them in order to earn full credit. Also, you are expected to respond to at least one peer with a multiple sentence post more than a simple "good point" or "I agree." Your responses to peers and any questions I ask you are due by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. This week you will begin your reflection journal. This assignment is not due this week, but will be due in Module 5. However, it is expected that you begin your journal now and create one entry each week of Module 2 through 5. You do have two assignments that are due this week, the written assignment and the exploration assignment. Please refer to the rubrics for guidance on how the assignments will be graded so that you can ensure that you have included all the necessary components of the assignments. If you are struggling with a specific assignment or in the course in general, please let me know right away so I can help you or connect you with a tutor. Well, that will wrap it up for this week's announcements. Please feel free to contact me with any questions and have a great week.